Hey everyone, if you want to learn about funding and offering funding in 2024, you're going to want to watch this video because we're going to talk about how you can plug into the best system to offer funding with our complete hands-free white label system. So let's get into the details. Now, if you're currently offering funding as an affiliate, if you currently offer business credit funding, or if you want to offer funding and you're not sure what's best, this is going to be an opportunity that you're going to want to look into further. So, what do? We're going to build you your funding website. Your leads are going to be processed by our team of experts representing your brand. Our funding experts are going to get your clients' approvals through our lending network, and then your clients get funded and you get paid. It's that simple. So it's similar to automation offers in e-commerce. So if you've ever looked at other ways to make money on a more hands-free way, this is something very similar. So with the white label offer, it's your brand. So it's not our brand, it's not a different company, it's your brand. We run it all and you get paid on every single deal. So why choose us over other options? There are a few options out there on the market. A lot of them cost a lot more, and a lot of them have had a limited history or experience compared to myself and my team. But beyond that, we don't use any fake pre-approvals or empty guarantees that lead to angry customers. So if you've worked with companies in the past, and there are a few agencies where they give your client a pre-approval, they get on the call with them and they say, hey, upon further review, we're so sorry, you're not eligible now, but if you sign up to this other program, and it's like a bait and switch. So that's not anything that we do. Every client will get a call with an expert regarding their file. So we don't use AI. We're not using overseas virtual assistants. They get a call from a real US representative, a person that is directly employed by my company that has been fully trained and knows what and how to take care of your clients. And next, we've helped over 22,000 clients secure 1.64 billion in approval since 2008. We've been doing this a while. We did this before COVID. We funded over 7,000 clients during COVID. So we have the experience, we have the know-how. So what does our process look like? So your client submits their information into your funding website with your logo. Our funding expert reaches out via email and text to schedule a call to discuss your options. That funding expert represents your brand. The funding expert will then work with our lenders to get your client the best offers on the market. The funding expert will present the best offers to your client. We're going to go over these offers with your client on a Zoom call. We're going to break down every piece so your client has full transparency on the offer. They fully understand what they're getting into. And the expert is ensuring that your client can actually afford the funding that they're utilizing. Next, your client is going to go into final underwriting. And finally, your client gets funded and you get paid. So what makes us different? There's several ways and reasons that make us different from others, but really the top six for these. We do not charge any upfront fees or application fees. We do not charge anything to your client upfront. So this is reducing our risk to being called scammers. It's reducing our risk to getting clients that are unhappy because they paid for something and maybe they didn't get the results they're looking for. We don't make empty promises or empty guarantees. What we're doing is we're looking at your client's file. We're ensuring that they pre-qualify for certain programs. We submit them to those lenders. We do our best to get those best offers, and then we present them to your clients. We do not make any guarantees like get 150K in 90 days or less. This is not heavily based in business credit like a lot of other offers. Yes, we do personal credit card stacking, and yes, we get business credit cards. But what we offer in our system isn't traditional funding. We're doing equipment loans, we're doing SBA, we're doing lines of credit, not from KeyBank or a PNC, but from other lenders. This isn't like business credit. In fact, it doesn't have as many suffocated requirements. You have to have certain things. These programs are a lot more lenient and you're able to get different clients with different situations funded. We operate on a soft pull system, so we're not doing multiple hard pulls that's going to damage your client's credit score. We work directly with local banks, credit unions, non-traditional lenders, and some private investors. We're working directly with them. We're not middlemen of middlemen. We know the lenders, we work with the lenders, we know the underwriters, we work with the underwriters. So this is very much a hands-on. This is very much about our personal relationship with these lenders. We do not sell anything else, including credit repair. This is only a funding offer system. So unlike other agencies that are doing a lot of backdooring, they're stealing your data, they're retargeting your leads and selling them business credit, credit repair, other things. We do not do this. We offer funding and we also offer payment processing. That's it. And with the white label program, you are able to pick and choose what programs your website actually offers. So you don't have to pick all of them. So if you are offering certain things, like if you're like, hey, Ashley, I already offer startup loans, well, then we don't have to offer those. We'll offer other ones on the website. So you get to pick and choose. And our experts represent your brand only. They are your employees. So they're representing you. They're not representing anybody else. So it's not like an affiliate program. You can create your own affiliate program and have affiliates send you the leads, but this is about you and your brand. This is about brand recognition, brand security, and brand building. So what funding programs can you offer? We have a vast majority of programs. We got startup loans, bad credit advances for businesses, lines of credit, equipment loans, business credit cards, personal loans, debt consolidation, 0% credit cards, SBA 7A, which is 6 different funding programs, and then a majority, so many different programs within the real estate loans. We're doing DSCRs, fix and flips, long term, you name it, we do it. We also offer factoring. We don't have it listed, but we also offer factoring, which is another great program we like. Payment processing is also available and it earns you a residual income. So it's definitely something that I highly recommend that we get set up for you in the white label system. Now, you can offer all the funding options, like I said, or you can pick what products you want to promote. You don't have to offer them all. Now, let me do a breakdown on actually what your client needs in order to qualify. A lot of these programs aren't being clear on qualifications. Now, I want to make it clear that just because your client has these basic requirements doesn't mean that they're going to get approved. There's so many different reasons a client can get declined. Also, we have lenders that are more lenient. So if you see on here where it says startup loan 680, yes, we do have some lenders that will approve lower than 680 for different situations. So is this an all ends, all means this is what it has to be? Yes, but also no. Sometimes there are situations where maybe a client has assets or they have something else or they have a cosigner, something of those lines where we can possibly get them funding. But for the most part, this is what we're looking to serve. So startup loans, we want your client to have a 680 credit score and 75K adjusted gross income. That's if they're looking for over 50K. If they're looking for less, obviously their adjusted gross income can be lower. Bad credit advances, these are for businesses that are new. These are for businesses that owners have bad credit. These are for businesses that need very quick funding. We want to work with clients with credit scores at least 500 and up and making at least $10,000 a month. Lines of credit, we want the owners to have a 650 credit score and 25K per month. Those lines of credit will get approved up to $1 million. That's going to be based on the cash flow. Equipment loans, we do credit scores from 600 up and we want to see a net profit of 35K. Business credit cards, really we want our clients to have a 700 credit score. Personal loans and debt consolidation, really we're looking at 680 and we want it to be between 55 and 75K adjusted gross income or higher. 0% credit cards, we prefer the client to be in the minimum 680 across the board on all credit bureaus. SBA 7A is preferred at a 680. They have a special scoring system and they want a net profit of 35K or higher. There are some 7A programs for startups where obviously a net profit isn't there. Real estate loans, we prefer 600 plus, but depending on the program, it's going to depend on the cash flow of the property, etc. So how quickly can clients get funded? Every program is going to be different and every lender is going to be different, but for the most part, these are the ranges. 1 to 3 days, we're looking at bad credit advances and lines of credit. 5 to 10 days, startup loans, equipment loans, business credit cards, personal loans, and debt consolidation. And 14 days plus SBA 7A, 0% credit cards in real estate. Yes, these things can take less time, and yes, these things can take longer, but I want you all to understand the turnaround time. And this is really industry wide. Obviously, if you have a better relationship with your lenders, you can get things going a lot quicker. And if your clients have their ducks in a row, they have the proper paperwork, they're quick to react or to answer calls and questions, these processes can go a lot quicker. Processes can also be longer when we're around the holidays because underwriters are closed for a lot more days than not. So sometimes there can be delays in time. Who benefits most from our system? So obviously we have a lot of different types of clients that are seeing value in the system, connecting to it and getting their clients funded. So anyone in the financial services, we're talking about taxes, credit repair, business credit. If you're even some type of mentor in the financial services, this is really great. Coaches and consultants, entrepreneurs and influencers, anybody doing mortgage or loans, the MLOs, those can be a really great supplement, and any high ticket offers. So if you're selling anything for 5,000, 10,000 or more, this system is really going to help you get more clients, more paid clients, because you can offer different array of financing. Plus you can help them scale once they start their business. So how much do you make per deal? Because obviously you want to know how much you're going to get paid and is this worth it? So we do all the work. Your only job is to submit leads into the system. So the payouts are at 3%, 4%, and a 50% commission split. The reason being is every program has a different payout. Every lender has a different payout. And so we wanted to give you the highest payouts that we can while still doing all the work. So for startup loans, you're going to make 3% of the funded amount. So we fund clients between 25,000 and 150,000. Yes, sometimes it could be higher. Bad credit advances, we cut you a 4%, and we fund between 25,000 and 500,000. Lines of credit is a 50-50 split. You get paid on every single line of credit draw. So you'll make 50% of that commission every time. And lines of credit are between 10,000 and 1 million. Equipment loans, you're paid 4%, and we fund between 25,000 and 5 million. Business credit cards, it's a 50% commission, and they're getting approved between 25 and 250,000. On personal loans, we pay 3%, and debt consolidation 3%. We're funding between 25,000 and either 150 or 250,000. 0% credit cards, you make a 50% commission split, so 50-50, break it down. Same thing with SBA, 7A, and real estate loans. So whatever commission is made by is paid out, you get 50%. So as an example, what does that look like at 3%? If it's a $25,000 loan, you're going to make 750. At 50K, that's 1,500. At 100K, that's 3 grand. 150K, that's 4,500. And at 250K, you're making 7,500. So it can be really large payouts. With the 4%, obviously you're going to see a big difference. At 100K, you're making 4,000, and at a $250,000 advance, you're going to make 10K. So that's a 5-figure commission payout on that. And on 50-50 splits, obviously, if we're paid out 500 bucks, you're going to make 250. If we go all the way up to the 10,000, it's a split 50-50 split. So let's look at some other examples also on the residual payout of processing. So with payment processing, you're going to make a small percentage of every dollar processed. So when you're bringing in clients, you will have a book of business. So let's say you've got 5 or 10 clients, and all together they're doing $500,000 a month. You're going to make $1,000. You want to make a 5-figure a month, you need a book of business making 5 million. That's going to give you 10K every month. This is something that can very easily be done. So if you're targeting clients that make 25K a month, you're going to want 20 of them. If you're targeting clients making 50K a month, you want 10 of them, and that's going to give you that $1,000 residual that you'll be paid every single month. So how do you get leads? That's the other thing. So a lot of people You may be offering funding right now and you're really struggling with the lead aspect. That's what almost every business can struggle with, is access to capital and access to leads. We need leads. We always need leads. So how can you gain leads in the funding industry? You want to tap into your current client base, make TikTok or IG reels, create YouTube videos. You can do organic social media marketing. You can run ads, email marketing. You can create a referral partnership, which is extremely powerful. You can do events, webinars, podcasts, and blogs. With that being said, though, if you don't know what you're doing, if you're struggling, what type of support is offered? So, yes, you can get a funding website, and yes, you can offer all the best products, but how do you get people to do it? And if you're one of those people that need help with that, this is a great program. We're going to provide you 1 year of social media posts. That's over 365 days of social media posts. You're going to get online training course with login. So you're going to get access to training. There's marketing training in there. There's training on the programs. You're going to get the opportunity to create an evergreen webinar with me. We're going to record a webinar. We're going to do it live. We're going to bring clients in. You're going to be able to post that to YouTube. I have YouTube videos that are 2 years old that I'm making 3 to 5 sales off from every single month. You will also get a recommended vendor list to add an additional 18 revenue streams to your business. So if you're looking to add other means of not only adding tools and value for your client, but also getting paid, we're going to provide that to you. You're going to get 5 white label ebooks that you can also use to promote. And you're going to get 3 one-on-one consultation calls with me that are an hour long at least. They're recorded over Zoom to help you grow this. So how much does this cost to get started? So again, what will you receive? You'll get a funding website with logo and branded colors. If you don't have a logo or if you don't have a brand for this, we will create it for you. That is within the cost. Next, our processing and funding experts do all the work for you. So they will do all the work for you every single month. This isn't a monthly payment. Okay. Everything is included. Next, you get the training, you get the social media posts, you get the 5 white label ebooks. Again, I don't even have this listed. You get the 3 one-on-one consultations. So what we're doing is we're giving you extra things to ensure that you're going to find success. Because a lot of people can build you a website. You can be all connected even still with the best lenders. But if you don't get the right clients, or if you don't understand what needs to be for them to get funded or to process, you're going to be left with offering something great and not being able to deliver. So this gives you the ability to deliver it without you spending a bunch of extra time. So all told, this costs $1,555. That's a one-time fee. The other options that are similar to this are costing 7,500, 10K, 15K. So we've made this really affordable for anyone that's looking. So how do we accept payments? So if you're ready to go and you want to pay, maybe you need financing to cover it. We do offer Afterpay. They give a 6 and 12-month option. We add an additional 3% fee there. You can do an invoice and pay by a debit or credit card. If you want to save $300, we'll knock $300 off and take a Zelle or Cash App payment. So if you're looking to get this entire system, you want it branded, you want it to be hands-free to where you don't have to spend 20 hours or more every week processing your funding applications, this is going to be for you. And if you're ready to buy, or if you want to jump on a call with me, this is what I want you to do. I want you to send a text, white label, if you're ready to purchase, or book with me if you want to jump on a call. We can jump on a call. I'll answer any questions that you have. If you have any concerns over marketing or what funding options to choose, we'll go over all of that. This is a free call. I want to make sure that this is the right opportunity for you. 7 out of 10 white label clients get their first client funded within their first 3 weeks of connecting to the system. So people are making their money back quickly and their clients are getting funded. Now, if you don't have the funds, or if you're like, the white label system is very robust, I don't need something so much. I don't necessarily care about it being branded, but I still want to make money off funding and I still want to be able to send them to a place that we can trust. We have an affiliate offer. So you get paid less. You'll get paid 1% and 2% on all funded deals, and you'll get instant access to this. The white label funding platform will take 3 to 5 days to get set up. This one you get instant access to. It's a $99 one-time fee. You get access to the Google Sheets, and you will get some training as well. So if you don't have the funds, or the white label system just isn't the right fit for you, but you still want to offer funding, you can do so as an affiliate through the Lone Wolf funding brand, and it costs you $99 one-time fee. If this is the best fit for you, or if this is somewhere where you just want to get your feet wet. Now, as an affiliate, we do give you some social media posts. You don't get any training. The training would have to be extra. Okay. You don't get a lot of the caveats. You're not going to get the 5 white label ebooks. But again, if you like affiliate offers, if you're not looking to spend a lot of money, if you don't really care about the branding, then this is the perfect opportunity for you to offer funding where your client isn't going to get scammed or ripped off. So if you're interested in that, go ahead, text the number affiliate. I will send you out the invoice. You can, Afterpay is also available there, Cash App, Zelle, and invoice. And once you get set up, like I said, we'll give you a year's worth of social media posts as well, but that very well might be the best option for you. So let me know in the comments below what questions you may have. Again, you can go ahead and text if you're interested to purchase, text white label, or if you're ready to book a call with me, book with me. That's the number, 615-609-1177, and we'll go over any questions. But if you're looking to offer funding, you want to be able to trust a system where they're not going to reuse or redirect your leads. If you want to make sure that each and every client is being handled by an expert personally, given insight, given information, and that your client's data is protected, and that we're authentically giving them the best offer possible, and you're getting paid on all of these deals, and you can rest assured at night that your brand is being represented well, then the white label product is definitely for you. Go ahead and check out my other videos. And like I said, if you want more information on being an affiliate, you can check out the affiliate video as well. Check out my other videos. You can also check me out on Facebook. So y'all have a great day.